Introduction to JavaScript Operators. JavaScript operators are crucial in JavaScript programming language. They facilitate operations on variables and values. These operations encompass arithmetic, comparison, logical assignment, and more. Understanding these operators is key for manipulating data and making decisions in your code. Types of JavaScript operators: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, unary operators, ternary operator, arithmetic operators. Used to perform mathematical operations like addition plus subtractions, multiplications, and division. Includes the modulus operator, which returns the remainder of a division and increment, plus and decrement, known as NA operators. Assignment operators, used to assign values to variables. Comparison operators, used to compare two values and return a Boolean value, true or false, based on the result of the comparison. Logical operators, used to combine multiple conditions, includes and or and not. Bitwise operators, works directly on the binary representations of numbers. Unary operators, operate on a single operand. Examples include type of delete and void. Ternary operator, also known as the conditional operator, the only operator in JavaScript that takes 3 operands, a shortcut for the if-else statement. Tips and common pitfalls: distinguish the assignment operator equals and the equality operator. Use the strict equality operator when comparing values. Unary plus operator can be used to convert a string to a number. Bitwise operators work directly on the 32-bit binary representations of numbers. Operators are fundamental to any programming language, and JavaScript is no exception.